तो भाई लोगों, अब देखो, अभी मैंने आपको बताया था इन लास्ट वीडियो आई टोल्ड यू दैट इफ़ ए बी इज़ वन मेंबर एंड ए एंड बी आर द joints. So I told you that if the member is pulling the joint or force is coming away from the joint, then it is tensile in the member. So now I will disclose the fact why it is like that. Actually, while solving the method of joint, we are solving the FBD of joint. For example, if hinge was there, two reaction will come and this is force from the member. So if member is pulling the joint, then joint will also pull the member in action reaction by the action reaction law of Newton, that is Newton's third law. So FBD of member will be tensile. Why? Because member is pulling joint A, so it will also pull joint B. I told you. So in reaction B will also pull A. So this is the FBD of member, and FBD of joint will be away from joint. Force will be away from joint. In B also force will be away from joint. So in a particular question, if one member is in tension, then the nature of force from the two joint which it connects will be away from the joint, and vice versa. If the member is in compression, then while applying the method of joint, we will take the force toward the joint for the two joints whom the member connects. So this is the cause and the picture why it happens, because if joint is in compression, then joint will compress the member in reaction. So this force is toward the member in FBD of joint. This is the FBD of joint B. So FBD of member will be, member is applying force toward the joint, so joint will apply force towards the member. So FBD of member will be this. This is compression, where while solving for method of joint, the force is toward the joint. Force is toward the joint means we are solving the FBD of joint, and from the FBD of joint we are getting the force in member. If the force is toward the member, we come to know that member is in compression toward the joint. If force is coming toward the joint by method of joint force calculation approach, then it means that member is in compression, because Newton's action reaction law is applied here, and the concept is here that why if force is away from joint, member is in tension, and why if force is towards the joint, member is in compression. So this is the picture that I told you. If force is coming away from joint, the member is in tension. So friends, I hope you understood it well. I am closing the video. It is a video of 3 minutes almost. So thank you.